Hi guys, today we'll be making some delicious French baguettes. Get ready to be surprised by how crispy, aromatic, and golden they turn out. Patience is key in this recipe, so I'll be setting the mood by lighting a candle that smells of cinnamon buns, a personal favorite of mine from my candle maker friend Trish. In a small bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of yeast with 2 teaspoons of sugar and a bit of lukewarm water. Cover the mixture and let it rest for about 15 minutes to activate. Next, in a big bowl, mix 400 grams of flour, 245 grams of water, 10 grams of salt, and the activated yeast. Use an electric mixer for about 5 minutes until the dough pulls away from the side of the bowl. Alternatively, you can knead the dough by hand for 10 minutes if you prefer. Leave the dough on a floured surface, covered with a tea towel, and let it rest for about 20 minutes. Afterward, fold the dough over itself, cover it with the tea towel, and let it rest for another 30 minutes. Using a dough cutter, divide the dough in two and make each piece into an elongated shape by rolling it under the palms of your hands. Let it rest under the tea towel for 30 minutes. Shape the dough into baguettes by pushing your thumb along it and rolling it under your palms until you reach the desired length. If you have a baguette baking tray, place the baguettes in the slots. Otherwise, use a baking sheet, cover it, and let it rest for 2 hours. Place a heat-proof bowl filled with water in the oven and preheat to 260 degrees Celsius, 500 degrees Fahrenheit, as it will help the bread turn out softer. Make a single slash the length of each baguette and bake for 20-25 minutes. Now it's time to enjoy your freshly baked bread. You can pair it with everything or simply dunk it in extra virgin olive oil. For a twist, I added artichoke pesto, aromatic herbs, and thin slices of radish. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes.